Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 9th, 2012. It's Monday morning, and grain markets are sharply higher again here starting out the day. The rain over the last 5 days have been confined to about 25% of the Corn Belt, which is certainly not enough. And traders are looking at the crop conditions report this afternoon, expecting the USDA to lower crop conditions down near the 40%, the good to excellent area, and possibly even lower than that. Another report this week is the report Wednesday morning, the WASDE report, and going to give us some supply-demand numbers. And the trade there is looking for an average yield of around 154.1. That's down considerably from the 164 that we had last month. The soybean number down about 1.6 bushel an acre from the last USDA expectations on their June report. So, and you got to remember, when even at these numbers, the corn yield is still about 7 bushel higher than last year, and the bean yield is about a bushel higher than last year's final numbers. So I think what the report will do for us on Wednesday is give us another mark to be adjusting yield, as the weather forecast this week is for really no rain through the Midwest, isolated showers, but the blessing there comes in cooler temperatures. Last week reported record temperatures in much of the Midwest. Iowa had reported the hottest temperatures in 29 years for a week period of time. So there certainly was crop deterioration. An example, I had to travel to northern Wisconsin for a wedding last week, and as I went up there on Thursday, the crops were still green. Coming back on Saturday, I realized that the crops here in southern Wisconsin, there was many areas where they were brown, so they deteriorated rather rapidly in that area. And I think certainly seeing that gets me very much concerned about what kind of crop we've got out there. But the trade's going to be looking at the overall picture. Still some areas that are excellent condition up in the northwestern Corn Belt. But those are areas that we're going to be focusing on this week. We've got Commitment of Traders report out this afternoon. It was delayed from Friday because of the holiday last week. So look for some continued strength and to be well supported on setbacks, as the world players are now getting concerned over U.S. crop. We had the Chinese market, the Dalian exchange was higher overnight. We had European wheat market was sharply higher overnight, as the fear is certainly circulating around the world. And you've got to expect that until some rain comes, we'll see some strength in this grain markets here at the Chicago Board of Trade. In the livestock markets, we had weaker cutout values there. Choice beef down 92, select down 113, and pork down 51. Normally we're going into a time period here where we do see weaker trending product prices into the end of July, and until we get some institutional buying back in the August time frame. So looking for some weakness there. Also, the futures and the cash markets could certainly be supported, as these hot temperatures are definitely taking tolls on livestock, rate of gain, and that is tightening up the hog supplies, as we've seen here in the last few weeks. In the cash markets, and the hogs have seen a considerable amount of strength because of tighter supplies, and weather is having a huge impact there. So livestock and grains are all being impacted by weather. A reason to stay in touch with Allendale's research, and we'll try to keep you informed the best we can here over the next several days. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.